Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Solimo 2000W room heater. There is almost no information on this box except that this particular room heater can be used to heat home and kitchen, and that's more or less it. I'm going to open this box and show you what's inside. There you go. This is what you find inside the box. We also have a safety and instruction manual for the Solimo room heater. This is the 2000W room heater. The model number for this one is SOLWMX-RH01. This is RH01. All that you need to know: there are diagrams, there are warnings, cleaning and maintenance instructions, general usage instruction, operating instructions. Everything is here. And this is the room heater in question. Okay, this is a heater, not a blower. Not a blower. So basically, the filaments inside, they will start glowing, and with a power output of 2000 watts, and heat the entire room in question. It can be used for your home, for your bedroom. It can be used in your kitchen. It can also be used in a living room area as well. And this particular heater has a power output of 2000 watts. So this is a 2000 watt heater. Not just that, you will notice that through these vents there is a fan. So once you start using this, the fan will start blowing the heat outside as hot air. These two dials are for that purpose. The first dial, this is the dial that you use to control the fan speed. So this is off. This is when you start, and 1 and 2. And this is what controls the temperature. This being the lowest and this being the highest temperature. On the other end, you have a 3-pin, 15 ampere 3-pin plug. This is a very thick 15 ampere 3-pin plug, and it comes with a very thick PVC wire as well, which is at least a meter long by the looks of it. Unfortunately, I don't have a power outlet that will carry a 15 ampere 3-pin, so I can't show you what this actually sounds like when you start it on. But this is it. This is what you find inside the box containing the Solimo 2000W room heater. Thank you for watching.